There was this sweet and charming girl named Jacqueline Fortalejo, a daughter of a well-known violinist and the firstborn son of a wealthy clan in their city. Antonio Fortalejo and the ambitious and popular theater actress Marcela Jacinto Fortalejo. They live at the civilized city of Baniana, Calatagan. She lives a very comfortable life because her father is rich, pero yung mom niya hindi gaano kasi pinikot lang ng mom niya yung dad niya from a one-night stand. So they got married and Jacqueline became their only child. Jacqueline became closer to her father and he taught her how to play the violin. When she was 4, her father enrolled her in a ballet class to, of course, learn ballet. Because of this, her dad got really mad at her mom, and then one night, they broke into a huge fight. Sobrang angry ng dad niya, and he got drunk. When he was heading home, bigla siyang nasagasaan and died, covered in blood. The next day, maraming nakakita sa bangkay ni Antonio nung morning, at inihatid nila ito sa labas ng house ni Jacqueline. So, yun na nga. Jacqueline and Miguel got married and lived at Miguel's hacienda. Miguel has been a good husband. He became very dedicated to his work. Napalawakin pa ang kanilang big business. Jacqueline, on the other hand, has stopped in her studies. Hindi na niya tinuloy pumasok sa college. Instead, naging housewife na lang siya at every time na nasa work si Miguel, Nag-aaral siya ulit mag-violin at nag-pursue pa ding sumayaw ng ballet. Di nagtagal, paunti-unting nag-iiba ang attitude ni Miguel. He had many vices, such as smoking and drinking. Every time na lang na umuwi siya, he is always drunk. Doon na nag-start na saktan niya si Jacqueline and the poor wife was sexually abused. Months passed at nahook na din si Miguel na mag-take ng drugs. Binagod din ng bawal na gamot ang mental behavior ni Miguel, kaya mas lalo pa niyang sinasaktan at ina-abuse si Jacqueline every single day. Matagal na din palang na-realize ni Marcela na mali ang ginagawa niya sa anak niya. Jacqueline became very sad and her mom told her that she wants to watch her perform on the stage, showing her wonderful talents that her dad gave her before he died. 2 months na lang ang itatagal ng life ng mom niya. She also apologized for all the things she has done to Jacqueline, for ruining her entire life ever since she was young. 2 weeks before the approaching death of her mother, Jacqueline finally performs on stage, playing the song her father composed with her father's original violin. After that, she offered a wonderful contemporary ballet performance in the Banyaya Stadium, and it was witnessed by her mother, very proud of her, and watched her perform for the first time.